Scheduling algorithms are broadly of two types, preemptive and non-preemptive. We'll further categorize the actual algorithms into these two types later on. But first, let us see what these mean. So basically, non-preemptive algorithms are designed so that once a process is allocated to CPU, it does not free the CPU until it completes its execution. While preemptive algorithms are priority based, which means they allow taking the CPU away from a process during its execution. What I mean is, if a higher priority process arrives in the system, then CPU from currently executing low priority process will be allocated to the new one. This will ensure that always highest priority process will be executing. So let us look at the differences between these two. Preemptive algorithms will allocate resources to a process for limited time, because if a new higher priority process arrives, the time will be taken away from the current process. While non-preemptive algorithms, resources will be allocated till the process is complete or it switches to waiting. When will it switch to waiting state? When it wants to execute an IO operation or something like that. Second difference is in preemptive processes can be interrupted because of high priority, while in non-preemptive processes cannot be interrupted in any situation. Third point is low priority processes may starve. This is because if a low priority process is waiting in the queue for a long time, it will never be executed if higher priority processes keep coming in the queue. While in non-preemptive, short-timed processes may starve because it will always keep on executing the processes without any priority. So even if some process has a short time, it will be ignored and starved. Preemptive processes have overheads. Overheads basically mean the time and resources that are spent in taking a process out of CPU resources and bringing other process in, while non-preemptive has no overheads because it runs very smoothly. Preemptive algorithms are flexible, non-preemptive algorithms are rigid, again because of the priority conditions. Preemptive algorithms are cost associated. In general, priority or some cost will be associated to each process so that we can decide which process to be executed first, while non-preemptive algorithms are not cost associated. Finally, in preemptive, the waiting time and response time is less. Remember, these two times we want them to be less, while in non-preemptive, the waiting time and response time will be more. So both of these have its own pros and cons and should be used wherever needed. Coming to the algorithm types, the non-preemptive types of algorithms are first in first out, also called as first come first serve, shortest job first, and priority. These algorithms have in common is that they are designed so that once a process is allocated to the CPU, it will not free the CPU until it completes its execution. So what is different in them? So each of these algorithms has the difference in which process should be allocated after which one, but no process will be interrupted while it's processing its execution. So those are the non-preemptive types, and the preemptive types are SRTF, priority, and round robin. Now SRTF, shortest response time, is just like shortest job first, but only the difference is that it will allow the priority based processes to be executed first or even cut another process while it is finishing its execution. Again, priority, there are two types, non-preemptive and preemptive. So the only difference is that in preemptive priority algorithms, there will be priority, the higher priority processes will be able to cut the lower priority processes. And the final one is round robin, which we'll discuss in a while. The other two algorithms are multi-level queue scheduling and multi-level feedback queue scheduling. So we'll discuss each of them in detail.